Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a buzzword in recent years, and it is increasingly being used in various industries. The potential for AI to replace jobs has been a topic of discussion for quite some time now. In this video, we will discuss the impact of AI on jobs and explore its potential to replace them. The current state of AI in the workforce. AI is already being used in various industries such as healthcare, transportation, and finance. It has replaced many mundane tasks that were once performed by humans, such as data entry, customer service, and repetitive manual labor. While AI has increased efficiency, productivity, and accuracy, it has also led to job losses. The potential for AI to replace jobs. The potential for AI to replace jobs is enormous, and it has raised concerns among workers and policymakers. Some experts predict that AI will replace up to 40% of jobs in the next 15 years. AI has the ability to perform complex tasks, such as analyzing data, predicting outcomes, and making decisions, which were once only performed by humans. The impact of AI on the workforce. AI has already led to job losses in various industries. In the future, AI will continue to replace jobs, particularly those that involve repetitive tasks and data analysis. However, AI will also create new jobs, particularly those that require skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving. The ethical implications of AI. The increasing use of AI raises ethical concerns, particularly with regards to job displacement. AI has the potential to create a new class of workers who are no longer employable, leading to income inequality and social unrest. Policymakers need to address these issues and develop policies that ensure the benefits of AI are distributed equitably. The future of work in the age of AI. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is certain: AI will play a significant role. The key to ensuring a positive future of work is to embrace AI and prepare the workforce for the changes that will occur. This means investing in education and training programs that teach the skills that are needed in the age of AI. In conclusion, AI has the potential to replace jobs, but it will also create new ones. The impact of AI on the workforce will depend on how we manage its deployment and ensure that its benefits are distributed equitably. Policymakers, educators, and business leaders must work together to ensure that the workforce is prepared for the future of work in the age of AI. Ultimately, the goal should be to use AI to enhance human capabilities, not to replace them.